Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can format a USB flash drive on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open the Files app, and in Files, under the section labeled Storage, you should see USB storage. So you want to tap on it, then select the three dots in the top right corner, and from here you should see the option Format. Now, if you're using the cover screen, the steps might be slightly different. So go to your cover screen, and then again, open the My Files app. And here, underneath the storage, you should see USB storage. So you want to tap on the three dots next to it, then select Format, and then confirm that you want to format the USB flash drive. Bear in mind that this will erase everything on the flash drive. So if you're certain, tap on Format, then wait for the process to complete itself. So once your USB flash drive has formatted, it will disappear from the storage space and then reappear again because it's been disconnected and then reconnected. So now when you tap on it, any music, documents, videos, or photos have now been erased from your USB storage. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.